What if I told you that right now, in 2026, you don't need a degree, a big following, or even startup capital to make real money online? You just need the right AI tools and about an hour a day. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 beginner-friendly AI side hustles that people are actually using right now to generate real income online. And yes, I'm showing you exactly how to start each one. So stay with me because number 4 is one most people completely overlook. Welcome back to AI Wealth Odyssey, the channel where we turn AI into income, one hustle at a time. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now because every week we drop content that can literally change your financial situation. All right, let's get into it. 7 AI side hustles, beginner-friendly, zero fluff. Let's go. Number 1, AI-powered copywriting. Businesses need content. Blog posts, email newsletters, product descriptions, ad copy. The demand is insane. And here's the thing. Most business owners have no time to write it themselves. That's where you come in. With tools like ChatGPT or Claude, you can produce high-quality content in minutes. Your job isn't to write from scratch. It's to prompt, edit, and deliver. And depending on the client and niche, content services can be priced competitively. To get started, create a simple portfolio using free platforms like Contra or Fiverr. Pick a niche like real estate, fitness, or e-commerce and start pitching. This is probably the fastest hustle to get your first dollar with AI. Number 2, AI digital products. This one is pure passive income potential. Think Canva templates, printable planners, AI-generated wall art, journal prompts, social media kits. You create them once using tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, or even Canva AI, and sell them over and over on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. Some sellers have reported impressive results on Etsy selling AI art prints with zero ad spend. To get started, pick a trending niche like boho home decor or motivational wall art. Generate 10 to 20 designs, list them on Etsy, and optimize your titles with keywords. Set it up once, let it sell while you sleep. Number 3, and yes, this is meta because you're literally watching one right now, a faceless AI YouTube channel. You don't need to show your face, you don't need a fancy camera, you don't even need to record your own voice if you don't want to. Tools like 11 Labs for AI voiceovers, Pictory or InVideo for AI video creation, and ChatGPT for scripting mean you can produce a full YouTube video in a couple of hours. Monetize through AdSense, brand deals, or affiliate marketing. To get started, pick a niche: finance, self-improvement, tech, history. Write scripts with AI, generate visuals, add an AI voiceover, and upload consistently. Successful faceless channels are pulling in serious income. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Okay, number 4. This is the one I told you not to miss. AI automation consulting. Small businesses are desperate to automate their workflows, but they have no idea how. That's your opportunity. You learn tools like Make, Zapier, and N8N, connect them with AI, and build automations for businesses. Things like automatically responding to customer inquiries, auto-generating social media posts from a Google Sheet, or building AI chatbots for their websites. You charge a setup fee and optionally a monthly retainer to manage it. Projects like these can be priced well depending on scope and complexity. To get started, learn the basics on YouTube for free. Build 2 or 3 sample automations, document them, and pitch local businesses or reach out on LinkedIn. This is one of the highest-paying beginner AI hustles in 2026, and barely anyone is talking about it. Number 5, writing and selling AI-assisted eBooks. Platforms like Amazon KDP let anyone publish and sell eBooks with zero upfront cost. Use ChatGPT to outline and draft your book, Canva to design the cover, and KDP to publish. You keep up to 70% royalties on every sale. Popular beginner niches, personal finance, productivity, health, relationships, and, you guessed it, Making Money with AI. To get started, pick a topic people are already searching for. Write an ebook with AI assistance over a weekend, publish it, then repeat. The goal is volume. The more ebooks you publish, the more streams of passive income you create. Number 6, selling AI prompts. Yes, this is a real thing. A well-crafted prompt can save someone hours of work, and people will pay for that. Platforms like PromptBase, Etsy, and even your own Gumroad store let you sell prompts for tools like Midjourney, ChatGPT, and Sora. Well-packaged prompt bundles can sell consistently, and the best sellers do very well for themselves. To get started, learn what makes a great prompt: specificity, context, formatting. Test them, package them into bundles around specific niches, like Instagram captions for coaches or Midjourney prompts for product photography. This is one of the most underrated digital product businesses right now. And number 7, AI podcast production. Podcasting is booming, but most podcasters hate the editing, show notes, transcripts, and social media clips. That's your business. With tools like Descript, Adobe Podcast, and Cast Magic, you can clean up audio in minutes, auto-generate show notes and summaries, and pull viral short clips for TikTok and Instagram Reels. Depending on the scope of work, podcast production services can be priced well per episode. To get started, reach out to podcasters in your niche offering a free trial episode. Nail the delivery, then upsell a monthly package. This is a recurring revenue model, and once clients see the value, they almost never leave. All right, let's do a quick recap of all 7. Number 1, AI copywriting and content services. Number 2, selling AI digital products. Number 3, Faceless AI YouTube channel. Number 4, AI automation consulting. Number 5, AI ebook publishing. Number 6, AI prompt selling. And number 7, AI podcast production. Every single one of these is beginner-friendly. Every single one has real income potential, and every single one can be started this week. Now here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below and tell me, which hustle are you starting first? I read every single comment, and I'd love to know. If this video gave you value, smash that like button. It helps more people find this channel. And honestly, it helps me keep making free content like this for you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to AI Wealth Odyssey. Every week, we're dropping new videos on how to use AI to build real income in 2026 and beyond. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get this money. Peace.